This video explains the purpose of the bridge replacement project at US 52 over Sugar Creek and provides maintenance of traffic information as well as a projected timeline. The project team is led by INDOT Project Manager Don McGachy and HNTB Project Manager Angela Pearl. Let's review the project purpose and need, location, and schedule. The existing bridge structure's conditions are poor and need to be addressed. This leads to the project's purpose, improving safety by replacing the bridge on US 52 over Sugar Creek. The corresponding transportation management plan is a design document that shows how the project will be built and how traffic will be managed during construction. Here you see a map of the location with the specific bridge project area highlighted in yellow. The design began in the fall of 2024 with an environmental study. The open house is being conducted summer 2025, with the final project design plans expected to be completed in the summer of 2026. The anticipated start of construction is scheduled for spring 2027. Now let's talk about the Transportation Management Plan, or TMP for short. The goal of the TMP is to clearly communicate project plans to stakeholders to minimize mobility impacts while maximizing both safety and traffic flow. How will we meet our goals? Through three main elements. First is a temporary traffic control plan. This is our maintenance of traffic strategy, which will be used during construction. We'll be going over the maintenance of traffic a little later. Second is a transportation operations plan. These are strategies used to mitigate impacts and are different elements that help increase safety and mobility during construction. Examples include temporary parking restrictions, turn restrictions, warning lights on temporary barricades, and utilizing local law enforcement. And the third element is a public information plan. This is how we intend to communicate with stakeholders and the public during construction. Our plan will communicate closures, restrictions, and changes to the traffic configuration in advance of the set date using media, message signs, and INDOT Greenfield District contacts. Next, let's take a look at the maintenance of traffic. Work zone safety is the #1 goal, both for the traveling public and construction workers equally. This is followed by the goal of completing the bridge project while impacting US 52 travelers in the least possible way. With the bridge being closed for a full replacement, a detour route is required. The official detour will use I-465, US 40, and State Road 9, a detour that's approximately 37 miles long. Warning signs will be provided near the construction zone directing drivers to the detour. Signage will also be provided along the detour route periodically at major intersections. Access to all residential drives will be maintained. As previously mentioned, due to the nature of the work, a full closure is necessary to complete the bridge replacement over Sugar Creek. This plan will minimize adverse impacts to the construction zone. Questions about the project can be directed to HNTB Project Manager Angela Pearl and INDOT Project Manager Don McGachy. Thank you for your interest in this project. The INDOT Greenfield District will continue to provide updates as project planning progresses.